Cool Trains of Montreal. I got a westbound freight train here at Dorval, kicking up snow. Hey Benjamin, this is the one that you were gonna see. This is it. You'll be racing this on your XO train heading back towards Wilmington, eh? On the 14th of January 2024. This is my second train today. Ballast cars, look at that. Orange ballast cars. This is going to be an unusual train. Oh yeah. That's one of the newer rebuilds too. I forget what they call those. But that's one of the newer locomotives when CN rebuilt. Look at that crazy sky. It was sunny when I left. It was snowing when I was on the bus, and then it was sunny again when I reached here at Dorval. So it's been on and off kind of snow squalls with some sun today. Pretty cold too. Not the kind of day that I would be doing train spotting without like a heated shelter nearby. I'm getting wind in the face here. Well, this is the end of the train. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. And there's a bus on the ramps there, the Dorval ramps. There it goes underneath the airport ramps at Dorval. Have a good day.